Come on, stand straight. Close your eyes. Children, all put your mic mute and say along with me. Okay? Don't unmute your mic. Please put your mic mute and then say along with me the prayer. Okay? Ready? Yeah. Yes. Kids, the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Good morning, children. Good morning. Ready for the Arabic?
Morning, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Chullu.
Yes, say all of you. Say yes, ma'am.
Say louder. Yes, ma'am.
Shivanya.
Yes,
Good morning, Shivanya.
Good morning, ma'am.
sir.
Supra. Good
Yes.
morning, Mr.
Yes, ready, start, children. Yes, start. Madhu, follow my instructions. Yes. Fast. Sandra, Nitiksha. Stop. Very good. Sit down, all of you. Good children. Very nice. Okay, Shivanya.
Yes,
Shivanya not feeling good, Shivanya.
now she's okay, ma'am.
She's not well.
Yesterday she was not well, ma'am. She
Oh,
swallowed food, so it got stuck in the passage and
yo.
vomited.
Ah.
The day before, on Vijayadashmi day, she swallowed a sundal
Uh-huh.
fully. அது என்ன
It's stuck
ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா
in the windpipe.
இல்ல அந்த ஈசோஃபேகஸ்ல அந்த ஃபுட் பைப்
Esophagus. ஐயோ ஓஹோ.
அது வந்துட்டு அப்படியே ஃபுல்லா அந்த பனானாவும் ஃபுல்லா ஸ்வாலோ பண்ணிருக்கா, பொமோகிரனேட் ஃபுல்லா ஸ்வாலோ பண்ணிருக்கா.
We
அது
should not
என்ன
do
ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா
anything.
no, she will chew the food and eat, and on that day what
That day
happened,
something happened. Yeah. ஐயோ.
அது ஃபுல்லா வாமிட் from the early morning till night she vomit up to 5 times. So doctor அழைச்சின்னு போயிட்டு gave medicines. அது வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி drowsy-ஆ இருக்கணும். She got
Oh,
stomach pain.
okay.
அது
Now
ஒரு மாதிரி
she's
upset
okay.
ஆனதுனால she is now
No
okay.
throat pain and all.
No throat pain.
Okay, okay, then okay. Okay, take care, Shivanya. Okay, very good girl. Yes, children. Yesterday we saw lot. What, Shivanya?
She is saying I swallowed banana.
Oh,
She
you
is saying,
swallowed banana. Full banana you swallowed. Your
no,
your throat is very
little
small.
pieces.
Your food pipe will be esophagus will be very tiny. Okay, you should chew the food. See, children, everyone for this. All must chew your food well in your mouth. Then only you have to swallow it. Okay. Okay, don't swallow the full food. Okay, fine. Yesterday we saw so many new things, right? I'll finish that sheep work, cotton work, white color. I taught you white color, right? Yesterday, very good, Keshav. Keshav, then why didn't you send this? Okay. Okay. Try to finish today itself. Okay. Today, ma'am is going to teach you alphabets. Okay. We know up to A to L, right? Can you remember the names of L object? Yes, okay, fine. What letter is this, children?
L.
What letter is this? L. 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 What's the sound of L? Okay. Yes. The sound of L is Okay. What insect is this? L for? Say, children.
Ladybird.
Yes, L for ladybug. L for
Lemon.
lemon. Very cute. L for
Tree.
children, you two others also joined. Leaf. L for leaf. L for
Ladder.
ladder. Very cute. L for lid. Lid. Okay. L for lid. L for
Ball.
lock. Lock. L for lock. Okay, fine. Now, yes. Okay, now say what letter is this?
A.
A. A. Say one A object. A for? Children, A for?
Ant.
Ant. Very good. Next, what letter is this? Litiksha, you say what letter is this, Litiksha? Others, put your mic mute, children. Litiksha, say what letter is this?
B சொல்லு.
Say, Litiksha, what letter is this? Choose the letter and say. B. B for?
Bat சொல்லு.
Bat.
B for bat, B for ball, B. What's the sound of B? B. Okay. Fine. Kesha, what letter is this, Kesha? Kesha, C. Yeah, very good. C for? Say one name of object.
Seaport.
C for?
Seaport.
Kesha? C for? Cat. Very cute. Very cute. Cat. Okay. Next, Farheen, what letter is this, Farheen? Farheen, what letter is this?
Say louder.
D.
Doggy.
Yes. Doggy. D for dog. Dog. Okay. Yes. And next, Jason. Say what letter is this, Jason? Jason?
What letter is this?
E.
E. E for
Elephant.
elephant. Very good. And okay, Varsha, what letter is this, Varsha? Varsha, say what letter is this? F. F for
Fish.
fish. Very cute, Varsha. Shivanya, what letter is this, Shivanya?
G for water down.
What
Water
letter
girl
is
down.
this?
What is letter?
Water girl down.
No, you must say the letter.
Letter in
Shivanya, you must say the letter.
letter G. Very
Very good. G for? Shivanya, G for? Okay, G for gun, G for goat, G for gold. Okay.
He is saying G for ghee.
G for ghee. Very good. G for ghee. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Then Madhu.
H.
H. H for
On.
horse. Very good. H for horse. Adan. Adan, what letter is this, Adan? I. Yes. I for igloo. I for insect. Okay. Fine. And Farhin, what letter is this? Farhin?
Chocolate.
Yes.
say
What
letter.
letter? What letter? First say the letter.
Tiny.
जो letter है
J.
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 Very good. J for?
J for no.
No.
That's not
J
J.
for what?
Nia.
J for jam.
J.
J for jacket. J for jockey. Yes. J for joker. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. And then Jason, what letter is this?
K.
K. K for?
Kite.
K for kite. Very good. Very good. Kite. And then the last one. What letter is this, children? Say all of you. Saimira, what letter is this? I didn't ask Saimira, right? Saimira, what letter is this, Saimira? Saimira? L. Yes. L for? L for? Just now only I showed you. L for? Lock. L for ladder. L for lock. Okay? L for? Say louder. Lollipop. Very good, very good. Lollipop. Now shall we play a game, children? Shall we play a game? What is this? What picture is this? What picture is this? House, home, house. Okay. Some letters are hiding in the house. Can you find out the letters? Yes. Okay. Varsha, can you say where is I? Varsha, can you find out I? Where it is?
Where is it? On
Where
the
is I, Varsha?
say on the top.
On the top of the roof. Yes, right. Okay, this is I. Had to circle like this. Litiksha, can you find out where is L? Where is L, Litiksha?
Side of the house.
Hey, stop the music. Good girl. Yes, where is L? Yes, in the side of the window. Yes, this is L. So, circle the letter L. Okay. Saimira, can you say where is J?
Stop.
Yes, stop. This is K, right? This is K, right? Is this K?
What is this?
K.
Sound
Very good. Very good. Then this is J, right? Yeah, superb. So, circle the J. And Shivanya, where is K?
Right.
In the
I love
right.
this.
Yes, in the right. Yeah, very good. Yellow color letter, right? Okay, yellow color board. Yes. So like this, you have to find out all the letters. Okay, children. Very good, very good. Next, you take your workbook. In the page number D75. Take it as a homework, okay? Don't do here. Take it as homework. Okay, page number D75. What letter is this, children? Children, say what letter is this? L. What are the picture given? L for, what is it? L for?
Lion.
Yes, L for lion. And the next one, L for? This one, lemon? This one. The green color one. Say, Nitiksha, what is it? L for? Leaf. Leaf. Keshav, what is the third picture? L for? Lock. Very good, very good. Madhuvanti, what is the fourth picture? L for? Look at your book and say, children. Yes, it's ladder. So you have to write the letter L like this. Start from the red line and end it with blue line and then a sleeping line like this. Okay? L. What letter is this? L. Don't do now. Take it as homework. Okay, children? Good. This is letter L. Like this, you have to write. Fine. This you have to take it as homework. Already we practice in the slates right now, children. Yeah. Don't go for now. Take it as a homework. Now, ma'am is going to write the pattern work. Yes. We left this page, I think. It's page number D74 LT. D73 LT. Okay. D73 LT. Take it this. Have to draw like this, okay? Sleeping line. Go up. Come right side. Come down. Go right side. Go up. Go right side. Come down. Come to right side. Go up. Go right. Come down. Go right. Like this, we have to complete. Okay? This is the pattern. What is that? Pattern writing. Okay? Fine. These two, take it as homework, children. Don't do now. Okay? Page number D73 and D75. CT and LT. Oh, LT. Both are LT. D73, D75, LT. Okay? Fine. Okay. Now I am going to teach you revise the shapes. Children, do you know what shape is this? Do you remember this? Yes, circle. Then what is this? Okay. Keshav, what shape is this, Keshav? Circle, right? Fine. Then what shape is this, Litiksha? Litiksha, is this circle? Oval. Very good, very good. Oval. Okay, what shape is this? Madhu? Madhu, what shape is this? Oval. Very cute, very cute. Farheen, what shape is this, Farheen? Farheen? Circle. Very cute. Then what shape is this, Farheen? Oval. So you can differentiate circle and oval, right? Okay, fine. Circle. Okay. Take page number D73. Empty. D73 empty. Color the objects that are oval in shape. Only oval color object you have to color. Okay. The first one is this what shape? This is what shape, children? What shape is this? Find out which are in oval shape first. Okay. Okay, which objects are in oval shape? Find out first. What shape is this? The first one. This is circle or oval? Is it circle or oval, Shivanya?
Is it circular oval?
Yes, oval. So you have to color this object. Okay, all color. Color this object, oval shape object. All color this. Slowly do. Don't be hurry. Okay. Okay, fine. And what is the next one? This
நீ
one.
பண்ணு பரவாயில்ல நீ பண்ணு அவங்க
You do, children. Don't get help your mother. You can do slowly or later. Parents, please don't rush now itself. What is the shape of this picture? This Rangoli like picture. What is the shape of this? Is this circle or oval, Jason?
Oval.
Oval. Very good. So you have to color these two. Okay. You have to color this two. Right. Slowly do this. Slowly. Yes. Okay. Do like this. And anything else in oval shape?
Clock.
Clock. Button is what shape? This button is what shape? Is this oval?
Sound as well.
This is circle. Yes. CD is? CD disc is? This disc is what shape? Circle. And what about the clock? Clock is what shape? Children say clock is what shape?
Oval.
Oval. So color this too. Okay. Okay. Like that you have to color. Fine. Children, don't be hurried. Do slowly. Okay. Afterwards you can do. Now shall we play a game, children? Now ma'am is going to sort out the shapes. Okay. Different shapes. Sort out the different shapes. Okay. Yes. So fine. What shape is this? Say first shape. What is it?
Oval.
Is this oval?
Oval.
Is this oval? Blue color. Blue color is circle. Fine. Farheen, what is this red color shape?
What is this?
Yes, yes. Fine, sir. What is the red color shape, Farheen?
Your shape है? Red.
This red color one?
Triangle.
हाँ.
Yes, triangle. Saimira, what is this green color shape? Square. What is this pink color shape? Litiksha. Very good, oval. Litiksha, what is this yellow color shape? Litiksha, say what shape is this? Is this square? See the shape? All the four sides are equal here? Rectangle. Yes, rectangle. Okay. This ma'am will teach you this is a diamond shape or rhombus. Okay. Rhombus shape. Don't go for that. For you only square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval only you have. Okay, right children? Fine. These are many shapes. Sort out the shapes. Come on. Circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, square. Ma'am has given some more shapes. Simply I'll teach you. Okay. Rhombus, heart, star, and hexagonal. Okay, children? Fine. Yes, the next thing which I'm going to teach you, count the numbers. Okay? Shall we count the numbers? Yes? Say along with me all. What number is this? 1. Yes. What is this? What number is this?
2,
2. What number is this?
3,
What number is this?
4,
What is this? Say what number is this?
5,
Jason? Yes. Jason, what number is this? 1 and 0.
10,
Very cute. What is this?
9,
Very nice. What is this?
6,
Wow. What is it? Lavender color, purple color.
and
What is this?
Amen.
Wow. Excellent. All clap hands to Jason, children. Very nice way he said all the letters, all the numbers. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Fine. All the 10 numbers clear. Now I'll go with 11 to 20. Okay. 1 and 1, 11. Say. Children say 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Yes? 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. Okay? Fine. Next, take this homework page, classwork page. Now we are going to do this D73. D73. Take this page, children. No, it's D74. D74. Have to count and write these numbers. Okay, all take your pencil, crayon or pencil. Have to count and write the numbers. Okay, fine. See, in the first picture, how many balls are there? Can you count? How many balls are there, children? Shivanya? 1. So, in this box, you have to write 1 like this. 1. All right, 1. 1. Okay? In the second box, how many balls are there? How many balls? Can you count and say? 1, 2. Yes, it's 2 balls. So, write 2 in the box. Already we practiced 1 to 5 numbers. 1 to 8 numbers we practiced, right? So, there is no problem with you. Write 2. Two. Okay, in the third picture, how many balls are there? 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. So, in the box, write 3. Write 3 in the box. And the last one, how many pictures are there? 4 balls. How many balls are there? 4. So, write 4 in the box. All write like this. Okay? Are you writing? Yes, all are very busy to your work. Slowly write, children. Count and write. Okay? First you count the object and then you write.
Done, ma'am.
Done it? Very cute. Very cute, Saimira. Very nice. What about other children? Adan, you're not writing, Adan?
This is 1 million, right? And this is C and 5 family.
Saimira, put your mic mute, dear. Very good, Madhu. Good job. Very nice, very nice. Farheen, are you writing, Farheen? Very good, Shivanya. Very neat work. Good
Yes,
job.
ma'am, she's writing.
Ah, yes, okay. Litiksha, Adan, Varsha, and Jason. Finished? Take your time and write. Finish, Jason. Good. Very nice, Jason. Very good. Adan, are you writing, Adan? Keshav, finish. Keshav, finish. Litiksha. Finish, children. Shall we go next? Okay, fine. Next, ma'am is going to teach about the flowers. Already we learned name of the fruits, name of the vegetables, yes, milk and milk products, so many things we were learned. Now the new thing is flowers. Ma'am is going to teach about flowers. Children, say any one name of the flowers. Anyone name of the flower?
Solo.
Rose. Very good. Very good. Rose. Yes. I expect some more.
Jasmine. Jasmine.
Jasmine. Okay, fine. Jasmine. Ah, okay. Jasmine. Some other. Some more.
நீ சொல்லு
Only Rose and Jasmine alone, you know, children.
அங்க கால விழலையா சொல்லு
Timera, say louder. Say sunflower. Very good. Sunflower. Okay. Anything else? Only this much flower, you know. Yes, Litiksha. Say. Yeah, marigold. Okay. Now, ma'am will show some flowers. Can you identify the name of the flowers? Yes. Yeah. Look at here. I'll show some flowers. Okay. Identify the name of the flowers. Sit. Yes, yes, yes. What is that? It's not moving. Okay, children, what is the name of this flower?
Sunflower.
Very good. This is sunflower. What is the color of this flower? Wow, lovely. Yes?
Yellow.
Yellow. The color of sunflower is yellow. See in the, can you see in the middle of the sunflower? There is a brown color, a brown and black color. Something is there. Do you know what is that? These are, what is this? These are what, children? Seeds. Seeds of the sunflower. So sunflower is a yellow color flower. It has seeds in the middle of the flower. Okay? Fine. What flower is this? Yes, you told us so many names, right? Then say what is the name of the flower? Yes, rose. This rose is red in color. Roses are available in many colors, children. There are different color of roses there. White, red, orange, and purple, lavender color. Yes, pink. So many colors are available in the market. This is red color rose. And it has a very good fragrance. Okay. What is this? What flower is this? The same rose, but it is in pink color. Yes, very good fragrance it has. Pink color. What flower is this? Do you know what flower is this? You told so many names, right?
Yes.
Jasmine.
Yes. What is the color of this jasmine, Farheen?
Color.
What color? White color. Yes, the jasmine is white in color. It's used for making perfumes. Okay, perfumes. That is the jasmine flower. And what flower is this? You know what flower is this? Marigold. Marigold also available in one or two colors. Yes, it is orange color and yellow color marigold is there. Okay, this is yellow orange color marigold. Okay, and what is this? Lovely. What flower is this? Lotus. What color lotus is this? Pink color. And there is white color lotus is also there. Okay, white lotus are in white color also, and this is pink color lotus. Okay, children. So this is the lotus, lily, and mainly lotus and lily are the water plants. Okay, those we can see in water. The other plants we can see in the grow in the soil of the land. Okay, marigold, jasmine, rose, and sunflower. These are the land, growing in the land, but only the lotus is growing in water. Okay, children? Fine. Next. Wait. I'll show you one activity. Okay? Yes. Children, can you take this page? Page number D75. CT. Page number D75 CT. Yes? Shall we circle the odd one out? Yes, can we do? There are so many pictures are given here, flower picture. We have to find out the odd one. Okay. In this page, you have taken, right? Okay. What's the first flower? Say the name of the first flower. In the first row, first flower is what? Yes, red color, rose. Yes. The first one is rose. The next one is jasmine. And the other one is jasmine. And the last one is also jasmine. In the first row, look at the pictures in the first row. The first one is rose. Other three are jasmine. So which is the odd one? I'll already teach you how to find out the odd one. Yes? Which is the odd one, children? Different one. Yes? Rose is the different one, right? So have to circle the rose flower. Okay, fine. In the second row, there are so many flowers are there. First one is, what is it? Shoe flower, that is hibiscus, right? Hibiscus flower is there. Second one is lotus. Third one is hibiscus. Fourth one is hibiscus. Okay. So which one is the odd here? Which is the odd one? Different one. There are three hibiscus and one lotus. Which is the odd one? Keshav, can you say which is the odd one? Which is the different one? Say, Keshav. Which is the?
Yes.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
five.
Lotus is the odd one, right? So circle lotus. Okay. Yes. In the third row, look at the third row. There are first one is periwinkle, second one is periwinkle, third one is what is it? Sunflower, and the fourth one is also periwinkle. 3 periwinkle flower and one what is sunflower. Okay, which is the odd one? Saimira. Saimira, say which is the odd one?
Sunflower.
Very good, sunflower. So circle the sunflower. Circle the sunflower, okay? And in the last row, there are 3 marigold and 1 jasmine. Farheen, can you say which is the odd one? 3 marigold, 1 jasmine. Which is the odd one, Farheen?
Which is say?
Say.
Jasmine.
Very cute, jasmine. So circle the jasmine. Okay, children. Yeah, yes, do like that. Fine. Okay, finished all? Yes. No, so long we are doing the worksheets only, right? All stand up, children. Shall we play a game, children? Shall we play a game? Yes, Radi. Are you ready? Do you have ball with you? Ball you have?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you go and bring one ball? Big size ball. One ball and one doll. Come with one ball and a doll. Yes, very cute. Keep the doll in some distance from you. Keep the doll in the floor or table or somewhere. You keep it somewhere and take distance from the doll. Yes, Jason, very good, very good. Jason, don't go near. You stand in some distance. Yes, yeah, very good. That's what I'm going to say. Now you have to throw the ball on the doll and make it down. Okay? Yes. Stand in a distance and aim the doll and throw it on it. The doll have to fall down. Yes, Madhu, you don't have? Madhu, come on, go and bring the ball and doll.
She's interested in eating apple, ma'am.
Okay, finish it fast. Then you go and pick. Jason doing very nice, Jason. Good. Keshav, come on, throw the ball. Aim the doll and then throw. Yes, Saimira, where is your ball? Very good. You can take such a big ball, no? You don't have big ball? Saimira.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then okay. No, you must aim the doll and hit the doll. Yeah. Shivanya, Nitiksha, Adam. Throw the ball. Yes, Madhu. Come on. Throw and hit the doll. Keshav, very good, Keshav. Jason doing super well. Very nice, Jason. Aiming pakka. Pakka aim. Very good, Keshav. Keshav also doing that. Very nice. Saimira? Farhin, enable your video. Shivanya, Farhin, Adan, and Litiksha. Increase your distance, children. After 3 or 4 throw, increase your distance. Very good, very good, very good. Enough, enough, enough. Stop. Very good, Jason. Jason done. Saimira and Kesha. Very nice. Others, I can't see your face. Very good job. Come back to your place. Come and sit. Very nice. Very nice. Shall we sing a song? Yes. What song I taught you yesterday? 10 little fingers sing. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Yes, come on, sing along with me. All come and sit first. Sit, sit, sit. Yes. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side. Yes? Can you sing that song? Jason, you know the song? Yes, you remember that song? 10 little fingers. Sing, sing. 10 little fingers. Sing along. Yes.
10 little.
10 little fingers. 10 little toes. Touch your toes and show me. Yes. Yes, bend and touch. Yeah. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright. 1 little head goes side to side. See? Sing along with me. Say along with me first. 10 little fingers. Saimira, come on. Cheer up. 10 little fingers. Say, children, open your mouth and say. 10 little fingers.
Tap, tap, tap.
Not that song. 10 little fingers. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little head goes side to side. Yes, that song. Okay, fine. What is the second song? 2 little hands. 2 little hands that clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. Sing. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side. Okay? Sing that song. Come on. Two little hands that clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Okay? See, children, make thorough these two songs. Okay? Tomorrow I'll ask you. Each and everyone I'll ask. Okay, ready? Fine. Okay. Almost we have come to the end of the session, children. So we learned how to sort out the shapes. Yes, right? How to write letter L. And we learned some flowers name. What are the flowers names? Which I taught you? Which I shown the picture of flowers? What are they? So Farheen, say. What are the flowers? Which we saw now?
Rose.
Rose. Very good. Then?
Jasmine.
Yeah, jasmine. Then?
Sunflower.
Very good. Sunflower.
Marigold.
Marigold. And
Lotus.
lotus. Yes, I taught you 5 flowers. One is sunflower, marigold, lotus, jasmine, and rose. Okay? Jason, what is the color of sunflower?
Yellow.
Not possible.
Yellow.
Very good, yellow. Shivanya, what is the color of lotus?
Pink. Sound as well.
Say louder. Pink. Saimira, what is the color of marigold? Marigold, what color? Saimira, what is the color of marigold?
Pink.
Marigold is in pink?
Yes.
Yes. Pinky, you love pink color. So you will say everything in pink. Saimira, what is the color of marigold?
White.
Marigold is in white color? No.
Yellow.
You forgot that color, right? It will be in yellow and orange. Okay. Madhu, what is the color of jasmine? What is the color of jasmine, Madhu?
White.
White. Very good, very good. Keshav, what is the color of rose?
Rose. Rose color. Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow color rose I shown you. Did I show yellow color rose?
White. White.
No, red and pink. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Litiksha, what is the color of sunflower? Yellow. So these are the color which we color of flowers which we saw today session, right, children? Okay, remember that colors and the flowers. Okay. Okay, fine. Say goodbye to everyone. I'll meet you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye bye. What you have to say before leaving? Welcome, welcome, children. Very good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bye bye, Jaden.
Bye bye, new friends.
New
Bye
friends.
bye, bye bye, dear.
There's no new friends.
What, ma, Shivanya?
Where are
Where are you friends?
new friends?